Ever stared at an error message with no idea where to even start? The first step is dead simple. Copy the error message and paste it into an AI assistant like ChatGPT or Claude. But here's the key. Don't just paste the error. Include the relevant code around it too. The more context you give, the better. From there, ask the AI what the error means. In seconds, it'll translate that cryptic stack trace into plain English you can actually understand. Once the AI understands your problem, ask it for possible causes and fixes. AI tools are trained on millions of code bases, so they've seen this error before. Probably many times. You might get back 2 or 3 likely causes, each with a suggested fix. This alone can cut your debugging time from hours to minutes. It's like having a senior engineer sitting right next to you. But here's the important part. Don't blindly apply the fix. AI can be wrong. Always read the suggested change, understand what it does, and test it. Think of AI as a really fast first opinion. Valuable, but still needs your judgment to verify. AI can be your fastest debugging partner. Paste the error, get an explanation, apply the fix, and always verify. Follow for more AI engineering tips. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.